Hello, this is Kyle with Rocket Man Plumbing here in Albuquerque, New Mexico. It's the 1st of December. It's getting cold. Today I'd like to talk to you a little bit about if you have an older home. Things you can do to avoid, emergencies. Things have a habit of breaking down at the most inconvenient time, whether it's your heater or you spring a leak on your water line or your air conditioner goes out. It always seems to do it at not a very opportune time. And if you have an older home, one of the best things to do is to get a plumber out to actually inspect the condition of, let's say, your hot water heater, the condition of your furnace. If you have old drain lines, if your house is 40 plus years old, it's worthwhile to run a camera down your drain lines to just inspect its condition. If your house is over 40 years old, if it was built anytime earlier than 1970, and if the water lines have not been replaced, that probably means that your yard line is plumbed in old galvanized pipe. And how long old galvanized water lines last depend a lot on how acidic the ground is that they're buried in. The higher the acid content, the less that the pipes will rust out faster. I've seen galvanized lines laid in like sand, and they don't look old at all, and they might be 50 years old. But if there's any acid content in your ground, they don't last very long. All I'm getting at is if you have an older home and you want to be proactive and not have problems, it's good to get a plumber out who knows what he's doing and just give you an idea of things that might be problems in the near future and solve them before they turn into an emergency in the middle of the night or on a holiday weekend. Bottom line, call Rocket Man Plumbing. We'll come out, look at your house, give you an assessment, a free assessment of the condition of all your systems in your house. And maybe you'll sleep better, or maybe we'll give you some bad news, don't know. But we'll be honest and upfront with whatever we tell you. This is Kyle with Rocket Man Plumbing. Have a great day. Thank you.